everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tanika Dion. All right, today we're back with part 3, if you will, of my Wish wig reviews. I told you in the very first one that I had received 3 wigs. Well, not received, purchased 3 wigs from Wish, and this is the 3rd and final one. And yeah, without making the video too long, because I already explained in video 1 and 2 about that I just wanted to try something new, just doing some wig reviews. Although I'm not a wig expert at all, I just wanted to do something fun and different, that's all. So yeah, same thing. Let's get right into it without making this too long. So let's go. Just like the other 2, just comes in a plain plastic bag. And yeah. Now this one is a little different because this one I got sort of like, I had wanted to get one that was like coarse, look, short with some purple, yeah, but this is coarse. I had got some coarse hair, and yeah, I like this one. It's dark. I like dark hair. I was a redhead for so long, y'all, so long. So now I'm all about that darkness. But anyway, yeah. This one is much better quality to me. Look at that. This ain't doing nothing. Look at that. No shedding whatsoever. This one is nice. Now this one, I already put some concealer in it, because as far as the other 2, I let it be. But this one I actually plucked a little, caught myself watching a video to learn how to pluck and to add some concealer to the, I did good, I think. I did that off camera, but yeah, I did good. But I really like the texture. This feels like hair, y'all. This one is so nice. The other ones look wiggish, but I like them. But this one actually looks so good. I'm just brushing out some of those curlsies. But look at it. It's so nice. This is so nice, and it feels so good. No shedding. No shedding. Yes. Now this is how I would wear my real hair, like this length. I don't like my hair super long, but there's nothing wrong with long hair. But anyway, yeah, so this one has 2 combs in the front, the strap in the back, as well as a comb. 2 combs in the front, the strap, and a comb. Yeah, all right now. But yeah, this one, I didn't put it on yet. I just tweezed it and put some concealer up in there. I mean, some powder. Look, I tweezed it myself. I think I'm doing something like I know some stuff. I don't know nothing. Anyway, okay, sorry, y'all. Let me get started here. All right, here we go. This time I have on a wig cap because I don't know why. You know what, y'all? Somebody can tell me if I'm putting these on right. I don't even know how you're supposed to put it on. Are you supposed to, like, start from the back and pull it? Oh yeah, that made it kind of easy. And y'all know I don't like my parts in the middle, so this has definitely got to turn. Can it turn? Yeah, my parts have to be on the side. Have to be on the side. Oh my gosh, this hair is something. Oh, I love the way this feels. Look at it. It doesn't even look, because I had, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I'll spray some dry shampoo on it. That's what I did. Some dry shampoo to take away that shine. Woo-wee! Yes! Because I had watched a video where there were some girls who was using dry shampoo and some girls was using baby powder. And I don't know the best method, but I just chose the dry shampoo since I had some, because it was in one of my boxes when I used to get the natural hair box, the curl kit, which actually I'm thinking I might start getting that again. I'm not sure. But yeah, I was getting that for every bit of like a year and a half, and I got so many products that I started running out of room. And when I moved here, I had decided to stop getting a subscription. But I don't know, because we haven't been here yet. We've been here what in this new house. Let me see, we bought let's see, This one in April, and last year April. So it's almost been a year, but not quite. So, oh, next month is April. We need to have us a 1-year anniversary party for the house for being moved in. Alrighty, anyway, yeah, so yeah, look at that. That's cute. Can y'all see how it looks and stuff in the back? And on the side. Hi. Yo. This is cute. It's like one side's longer than the other. Oh my goodness. Now this is something that I would rock. Oh yeah. But this, I think probably, because I like hair behind my ear. But you know, like I said, if I was going somewhere, I would do something with my edges. But I'm not going nowhere. Just trying on the wig. First impression type thing, you know. So, yeah. Really, really cute. I really like this one, y'all. Oh, I really like it. I did something with the concealer. Foundation. I keep saying concealer, but I use foundation. I really love it. Love it. I wonder if this is how it's supposed to look, though. With this side being so much longer than I think so. Or maybe because I turned this to the side, this made this side longer. But I don't care. I would wear it like this. I don't care. Or I wonder if I should cut it. No, I better not start even getting into cutting yet. Shoot, I'm just learning how to put a wig on, so I better not start cutting it yet. I'm not going to cut it yet. So, all right. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I look good. Hey. Hey. And by the way, there is a tutorial on this look that I will link up here somewhere or down there somewhere. Y'all hear that crying and moaning? It's my son. He's being very spoiled right now. So, all right, but yeah. Guess I can't talk like I wanted to because apparently this kid needs my attention. So, yeah. Looks good. Looks good. I like it a lot. I love the texture. It feels so much like real hair. So what y'all think? What y'all think? Maybe let me try with it in the middle too. Let me just go ahead and see what it's like in the middle there. What it's like in the middle. Oh yeah, it's a little bit, but it's still a little asymmetrical, you know. But still, this side is still longer, but it looks good. I like it. But no, I wouldn't wear it in the middle. I'll wear it on the side. Like I said, I like my stuff on the side. Yes, yes. This is what I like. All right. Now I need to go. All right. Okay. Well, this is the end look. It's a cute wig. I really like it. I like the little highlights of purple that I know you can definitely see once you're out in the sun. I don't know if you can see it all like that, but it's definitely there and I like it. But anyway, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell so you never miss an upload. Okay, I appreciate you. Have a good one. Bye.